up guys, welcome back to the channel. And look what we have today. We have this gorgeous carbon fiber front lip that we're going to install. As you can see here, it looks really nice. So to install that, we have this double-sided tape that I don't think I'll use. I may use it, but I don't think it'll do anything. What's going to hold the front lip is the screws here. You're gonna put one here and one there, and drill some here and here, and I believe one here and in this corner as well. So what I'm going to do is measure everything so I can install the front lip. As you can see here, I already put the car on the jack stand so I can have more combs here. All right guys, let's make it happen. All right guys, as you can see, this is how the front lip is going to look like. Now all I have to do is measure everything to see where I'm going to drill the holes here so I can install the front lip. Now like I said, it comes with that tape, but I don't think I will need it because we going to have a total of 6 screws here to hold it here. If you look here, you see we have one screw here, one over here, this one right there, and one of them here, and on this side as well. All right guys, I just went ahead and marked the spots that I'm going to drill, like here and here and there and here. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it sucks that you can't drill something here and there. So I'm just gonna have to use some double-sided tape here. It's just, I think it's this part right here, because it's the F Sport model. Like I think they made these front lips just for the non F Sport, because if you have the F Sport you get that extra lip here, so that it's on the way, but we'll make it work. I think it should be fine. This car, my goodness, always dirty. Buy a black car, they said it's gorgeous, and no, it's a pain in the butt. That's what it is. This thing, I just cleaned this thing on Monday. Today is Wednesday, and I only drive it once, and it's already filthy. Okay guys, we just drilled the holes here, and as you can see I added some tapes here just in case. And for here I have to see what I can do for this side and that side over here, because I can't just let them hang like this. If I have to drill a hole here just to make one by the plastic trim underneath of the front bumper, we just have to make sure that there's something there to hold the sides. Okay guys, so far everything looks good, but as you can see here, this thing is hanging here and that one is hanging here as well. I may have to drill a hole here and try to create, like, make something here and find some screws to just screw it up here. And over here it's fine up front, but on the side here I'm gonna have to make something happen, because it can't just hang like this. Okay guys, this is what I did. I drilled a hole here that goes all the way to this plastic piece right there. So, and then I used that screw here to hold it, and now it's nice and firm. It's not gonna go anywhere. Now I have to do the same thing to the other side and we'll be all set. Alright guys, just like that we all set. Everything looks fine, perfectly fine here. Now all I have to do is take off the jack stands and maybe a quick wash, and we can do some cinematic shot. All right guys, let's do it. Like that we are done, and I think it looks great. It looks really good. You can see this is it. The front lip is all on. Now all I have left is this side skirt, which is not going to be carbon fiber, because I'm just afraid if I go to the dealer or something, they just gonna mess it up. What I'm gonna do, there's a guy in Orlando, I talked to him. He's gonna make one for me. They're kind of look like the third gen IS, so whenever I get them I will paint them the same color as the car. And then I have to do the trunk lip and then the rear diffuser. The last one will be the steering wheel. And yeah, as you can see, it's really hot. I need to go inside. And that's it for today. If you like how it looks, give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, you like what you see, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Perfect.